There's a serious problem in this country right now.
Word.
Again,
Preach!
The problem is drummers that want to be bass players.
Amen.
Drummers that want to play bass. So, we got
little Scott Keller here.
We call him Little Magic.
Little Magic, you hear that?
We call him Little Magic. So, for the bass players in your life, for this problem that we having in this world, it starts with you. You have to look in the mirror and you say, it starts with me. So when you find that poor, unfortunate drummer that wants to be a bass player, I just want to do my part for the poor, unfortunate drummers in the world and donate them.
Wait, what?
And donate them
What?
a bass guitar.
Oh, that's
What?
good.
You said,
What? This too could be your experience.
what?
with your poor, unfortunate, short drummer.
Am I being punked? Is this for a sketch?
No, fool, I'm giving you a bass.
Oh my God! Oh!
Hey, easy, fella.
Thank you, man.
Easy, fella.
He can walk! Boom! And on that day, little Scott Keller grew up. It became Big Magic.
Big Magic. This is Ariane. I built this bass myself. I chopped down the tree. Okay, I didn't chop down the tree. I got the parts from Warmouth, but I did build this bass up. There you go, bro.
Yeah.
Close your mouth, man. Close your mouth, man.
Yep.
Love you, boy. I ain't paying you tonight now. I'm gonna pay you.
What? Are you serious? What? Strangely enough, I have something for you too. It's not as cool as the bass, but I've had it and I've been meaning to give it to you. Stop it.
Here we go. This is
I'm not gonna do none of this extra dramatics for the Prince fan in your life.
Hey!
Oh, you can fit it.
Purple shirt.
nice.
Purple shirt.
Nice.
I've had it for a minute and just keep forgetting to grab it.
My man.
If you can't fit it, just hang it up on the wall.
What you mean I can't fit it, boy?
It's a men's medium. I don't
This
know.
is a medium.
This is Eamon Flynn for the Make-A-Wish Foundation. Here we are, making dreams come true.
Okay, cut that there.